Hey, it's Pat again with Master Building Inspectors. Want you to notice right here, we got some evidence of a roof leak, don't we? Look at all of that. This is all up in here. Rainy day today. Some of it's wet today. We can stick a moisture meter up there, but that's already been tore up like that. I just want to point it out. One more reason why you need to get a home inspection. Be sure we find those things, whether we use a thermographer or whether we use our moisture meters. Doesn't matter. Either way, it helps you to protect you and the purchase of a home, or even as a homeowner, if you're looking to say, I'm not quite sure what's going on, have us come on out and identify that before you have this kind of problem in your home. You have a great afternoon, and this again is Pat from Master Building Inspectors.